Hi, my name is Bill Burns, and I'm the Kids Count Project Manager at Voices for Illinois Children. In partnership with the Annie E. Casey Foundation, Voices for Illinois Children collects, analyzes, and distributes data on children in the state of Illinois. In this brief video, I'm going to show you how to access data that are available on the Annie E. Casey Foundation's Kids Count Data Center website. Now you can access the data center in a few different ways. First, you can access it by going to the Voices for Illinois Children website at www.voicesforkids.org. On the front page, under the Our Priorities tab, which is right here, you should go down and see the Kids Count Data Center and click on that. On the following page, you'll see a hyperlink that will take you directly to the data center. You can also go directly to the data center at datacenter.kidscount.org, the link to which is included in and below this video. Please keep in mind that there's no www in front of the web address of the data center. At the data center homepage, you'll see an interactive map of the United States. For the purposes of this video, we're interested in Illinois data, so I'm going to click on the state of Illinois here on the interactive map. Please keep in mind that if you're interested in data from other states, Kids Count grantees in every state provide data as well. After clicking on Illinois, you'll see a page of over 400 indicators presenting information on topics such as race and ethnicity, employment and income, housing, poverty, and many others. On the left side of the page, you'll see various filters you can use to narrow your search for specific data points. Now let's say that we're interested in finding information on the child population by race and ethnicity in various Illinois counties. If you look at the column on the left under Characteristics, you'll see a button for race and ethnicity. And when we click on it, it narrows down the indicators to just the ones having to do with data that are disaggregated by race. It just so happens that the indicator that we want is the first one on the list here, so I'm going to click on that. When we click on the indicator, we have several options for viewing the data that are available for it. The default view of these data is the table view. When we scroll down, we see the child population broken down by race and ethnicity for the most recent data available for Illinois, which comes from the American Community Survey 5-year estimates, and that comes from 2013 to 2017. We also have data that are from 2010, 2000, and 1990, which are all decennial census information. You'll also notice several options on the left side of your screen over here. If you go up above a little bit, you'll notice that there are options available for both Illinois and for counties in Illinois. If you click on the button by county, the table changes and we now see the child population in each county by race. To compare counties to the whole state, you can go back up and click on Compare to Illinois. And Illinois numbers will now be available here for you to compare to the rest of the counties in the list. Please note that you can choose whatever counties you want with the toolbar on the left. If you're interested in just looking at data for Adams County, for example, we can click up here on Uncheck All, and then we click on Adams County. And you now have a table where you can directly compare the child population by race in Adams County to that of Illinois in total. You can also choose which years of data you want to view. If you want to compare 2017 to 1990, for example, and don't want to put the 2000 and 2010 data on the table, you just go over here to the left and uncheck 2000 and 2010. And here now you see in the table, we're just viewing data from 1990 and from 2017. Keep in mind that you can choose up to 10 years of data to view in one single table if those data are available for the indicator. There are also other data visualization options available on the site. If you go up to the toolbar up above and click on Map, you'll be presented with a map showing every county in Illinois, along with, in this case, the percentage of children in each county who are white. And we can see here that with the button that's clicked here, we're just looking at a map of the percentage of each county that's children who are white, and that's for the year 2017. You can also change these options around, so if you're interested, for example, in the percentage in each county of Latino children in the year 2000, you would go up here to click on 2000, and then you would click on Latino. And we now have a map here that shows us the percentage of the population in each county that are Latino children. Please note that you can hover your mouse over any of these counties, and the name of the county along with the percentage will pop up for you, and there's also a legend here. Now, if you're interested in saving this map, what you can do is you can go back up above here, and you can click on Save Image. And a map is generated, a picture of the map is generated, and what you can do, you can right-click on it and save the image, and you can put it in a report or a presentation or something along those lines. You can also go over here to the Embed button, and it will give you a line of code here, and you can embed this within a website or something along those lines as well. Please keep in mind that the Annie E. Casey Foundation does allow people to use their resources like this, but they just ask that you provide appropriate citations. Now, there are other data viewing options available up above here. So if we go to Trends, for example, and we scroll down here, we see the default view here is they put a bunch of different counties in this line chart, but we're going to stick with our Adams County example here. So we're going to click Uncheck All and click on Adams. And here now we see a line graph of the percentage of children in Adams County and in Illinois who are Latino from 1990 all the way through 2017. You can also do the same thing with this chart that you could do with the map. You could save this as an image, or you could embed it in a website. And finally, there's the bar graph option. And on the bar graph, again, you see a comparison of the percentage of children in Illinois who are Latino and the percentage of children in Adams County who are Latino for the year 2017. You can also use these other options here. You can click on specific years, and you can also add in other racial and ethnic groups. And we see here a breakdown of the child populations by race and ethnicity for Illinois, and then by Adams County as well. Now, let's say that you're interested in running analyses that are not available here on the website. You can download the raw data that are available for every single indicator on the data center website. So you just go up here to click on raw data. And on my computer, it's going to open it on Excel for me, so I'm going to click OK. And we now have an Excel sheet of all the data that's been entered for both the state of Illinois and for every county in Illinois from the year 1990 to 2017 on the racial and ethnic makeup of children in the entire state. And you can run whatever analyses you want using these data that are available. So there you have it. If you ever have any questions about the data center or the work that we do at Voices for Illinois Children, do not hesitate to contact us using the information on the following card. Thank you.